Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write application for one-day leave. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. To the principal, next your school name and your school address. Next, to the left hand side corner, you need to mention the date on which you are submitting the application. Next is subject. Subject should be written as request for one-day leave. Next, we will start with the body of the application. Sir, with due respect and humble submission, I beg to state to you that I am a regular student of your esteemed school. I wanted to request you to grant me a leave for one day because I have a family function at home. I therefore request you to consider my application and grant me the leave. I shall be forever grateful to you for this act of your kindness. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Here you have to write your name, your class and section, and your roll number.